Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll be diving into the world of Facebook advertising and I'll guide you step by step on how to create an ad on your Facebook page. The procedure we are going to discuss in this video is a simple way to create an ad. Later, we will delve into Facebook ads in detail and explore a more versatile approach using Facebook Ad Manager. If you're ready, let's get started. First things first, log in to your Facebook personal account. Once you're in, navigate to your Facebook page. Now let's move on to the next step. In the left menu of your page, you'll find the Ad Center. Click on it to access the advertising tools and features. Facebook offers various ad types. You must select the one which suits your needs, which is automated ad, create new ad, and use a post for an ad. I am going to create a new ad. In the page, you will have to set the goals that what you want to achieve from your ad. After selection of appropriate goal, you must create the ad description. Now comes the creative part. Choose the format of your ad, whether it's an image, video, carousel, or slideshow. Upload your creative content and add compelling text that grabs your audience's attention. Write a persuasive statement here. Select the media, call to action button, and the messaging portion where you set how do you want to welcome people who tap on your ad. Select the app, where do you want people to message you. You must connect your WhatsApp and Instagram to your page, otherwise you will not be able to see the apps here. Identify your target audience by specifying demographics, interests and behaviors. This ensures your ad reaches the right people who are most likely to engage with it. Decide on your budget and schedule for the ad campaign. You can choose a daily or lifetime budget and set the start and end dates for your campaign. Review your ad settings, make any necessary adjustments, and then proceed to place your order. Facebook will prompt you to confirm your payment details, and once that's done, your ad will be submitted for review. And there you have it. Creating a Facebook page ad is as simple as that. Keep an eye on your ad's performance through Facebook Insights and adjust as needed. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.